There's a lot of tilapia. Daming tilapia, oh. See?
Tilapia.
Galing.
Tilapia ba yan?
Oo.
Then, the market. Yes. Ang tawag yan? Golden Buddha. Yeah. Bato Cave. Then, there's a lot of ano.
Ayan, video.
Yes. Dami ibon. About 300 steps. Okay, oh, see? A lot.